green beans. I snapped them and cleaned them real good. Okay, so chicken broth, just put chicken broth around it. I only had less than maybe a quarter of this box, maybe right to here, so that's how much broth I put in to the green beans. And then I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. I think I need to get some more. Okay, 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of pepper. I'm about to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I bought this bacon, and I got the hickory smoked thick slice, but you can get whatever you like. And then we'll put that on there. Okay, so I added 6 slices of bacon on there. I'm going to cook it on high for 3 hours, and we'll be back. Green beans have been cooking probably about 2 hours. They still got to get soft. They're looking good though, and they're smelling good. And I put the bacon, uh-oh, that's splashed. Okay,